Motor sounds like it has rod knock. But it hasn't died in 1,000, 1,500 miles. Huh. Wonder what it could be. What happens if I unplug this vacuum line? Very quiet. Plug it back in. TVIS plate. Interesting.